Oh, I really like it. I'm still adapting, obviously, to the culture, but I adapted very well to the team, to the rest of the staff. They have done a very, very good job in these days that they have been together before I joined, and I really like the atmosphere and how the team is working so far. So a lot to improve still, but we are in a building moment. Well, the expectations are very clear. We want to improve. We are working a lot in the individuals, and we want to go day by day, and game by game. That's it. Well, I think they are a very organized team. It's going to be a very competitive game. We are preparing, again, as I said, day by day. We are obviously talking to our players, preparing the sessions together regarding what we want to face in the weekend, and that's it.
Občutki so zelo dobri. Dobro smo se pripravili na sezono, priprave so za nami, še zadnji teden priprav na Primorje. Mislim, da moramo dobro začeti sezono, ker bo to pol tudi en korak, a bo sezona dobra ali bo spet borba. Pa trda tekma bo. Primorje zelo dober nasprotnik, dobra ekipa, kombinatorna, tako da bomo mogli biti dobro pripravljeni in upam, da iztržimo dober rezultat. Bilo je kar nekaj sprememb v klubu, novo vodstvo je prišlo, tudi novi trenerji. Mi igralci smo pozitivno to sprejeli. Mi smo tukaj, da treniramo, da igramo, in upam sam pač, da bomo začeli sezono pripravljeni in da bo uspešna sezona.